Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, brought to you by yours truly, Scott Tyler. Today, guys, we have a fun one where we're going to be talking about the Pixel 6a. I know I've made videos on this in the past, but I thought I'd bring you another great sort of mini review here in 2023, and I'm going to answer the question, should you actually go out and purchase the Pixel 6a at its current price point, which on Amazon, I've seen this thing sub $300 sometimes when on sale. So without further ado, let's hop into my main thoughts on the Pixel 6a in 2023, and I'll be seeing if you guys should go pick it up, or I'll be letting you know if you should go pick it up. So without further ado, let's hop right into it. So starting off with design and build, the 6a has a 6.2-inch organic LED display, or OLED, however you want to say it, and it comes in a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. Very pixel dense, sharp, no issues there. Since it's OLED, it has very punchy colors, high contrast ratios, large color gamut, and overall it makes for a great viewing experience when watching media on this phone, whether that be like on Netflix or YouTube or streaming some sort of online video. It's going to look extremely sharp, and for the price point, getting an OLED display at 1080p resolution is a great thing at that price. In terms of build quality, it comes with an aluminum body, no stainless steel. You only see that on more premium smartphones. However, it's got that strong aluminum, which makes it actually a lighter device. This thing is very, very light to hold in your hand, put in your pocket. You're gonna have no issues. Very compact in size, and it comes with glass on the front and back. It's not the strongest Gorilla Glass. It's not Victus Plus or anything, but it has pretty substantial Gorilla Glass. So even if you drop this, it's not going to shatter instantaneously. It's not made with cheap materials whatsoever. It definitely maintains that sort of rigidity and durability with that aluminum frame and glass back. So moving on to sort of the second section here in terms of cameras, has two lenses, one main lens and then a wide angle lens, one 50 megapixel primary lens and then 12 megapixel ultra wide, which leads to some great shots. The ultra wide does sort of like struggle a bit in terms of maintaining the same like color accuracy and sharpness, but that's most wide angle lenses. It's not really any different on this device. It's not better or worse than the average. I'd just say it's around the average of most smartphones in this price point. It's got all the standard, Pixel 6a like AI camera features that we've come to expect on Pixel phones, night sight, portrait mode, and several others. In terms of hardware and software under the hood, Pixel 6a is powered by the Google Tensor chip Gen 1, which provides plenty of power for most users. It also has 6 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage. It comes with Android 13 right now, and it should get several updates in the future, so software updates are no issue here. Price and availability, as I said, like at launch, it was like $400 to $500, but now you're seeing it as low as honestly sub $300. But that's it for the main Pixel 6a. That's what I have to say about this device. It's a great device, guys. Go pick it up. I don't think you'll regret it. Thank you so much for watching this video, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoyed my channel. I hope you're getting some value out of it. And with that, I will see you guys in the next video from Scott Tyler. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. And yes, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out, everyone. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching another video on my channel. If you're interested, click over here to subscribe to the channel and click over here for another amazing tech video review / tutorial. And yeah, thanks so much for checking out the channel. Appreciate all you guys. See you in the next video.